Made with Mixcraft.
It's time to turn up in the mix. Like that A+ shit to this mob shit in the mix. You are now tuned into Elite Squad. Hey yo, loyalty is more than just a word. We ain't stopping till we see heaven on earth. Let's go. Follow us today on Twitter. We're stacking bricks till we reach the top. In the mix.
Smoke green when I feel like money going, I'm still right. Bitch niggas wanna still fight. Got 100 hoes I can still pipe. It's Mafia, I kill mics. That's real shit that they still like. Sip, sip, gin when I feel like. You know the motto, gotta live life. You don't even know what that feel like. Mean body, she still nice. Freestyle, but I still write. Get body once, tryna steal twice. Hit the club cause I'm still hype. Dip out when I feel like. Show my people so much love. I'm the only one that they still like. Shorty bad, light skin and tall, working them hills like. Everything she do feel right, so fuck however you feel like. On tour, every day, I'm trying to see what that feel like. Hoes mad, it's okay, when it comes to it I still pipe. And I'ma smoke whenever I feel like. Get high cause it feel right. Get dough when I feel like. That's the type of shit that I still like. Fuck around, it's no conversation. Let them know what hollow tits feel like. Eldorado, you know the motto. That's the type of shit that I still write. Yeah, I feel like. Fuck however you feel like. Yeah, I feel like. Fuck you niggas, I'm still right. Yeah, it don't feel right, and I ain't with it, they still like. Yeah, if it feel right, and it's a go, then I feel like. Yeah.
Yeah, this is my Mixcraft.